Are your arms looking a bit on the puny side? Well, fear not. We're here to help you build bulging biceps and unleash your inner arm Hulk. But before we dive into the exercises, let's talk anatomy. The biceps, short for biceps brachii, is a two-headed muscle located on the front of your upper arm. It's responsible for flexing your elbow and rotating your forearm. So, how do you get those enviable biceps? First up, we have the classic bicep curl. Grab a pair of dumbbells and let's pump up those guns. With palms facing forward and elbows tucked in, curl the weights towards your shoulders, focusing on the squeeze at the top. Next, it's time to hammer it out. The hammer curl is a variation that targets not only your biceps but also your forearms. Hold the dumbbells with your palms facing your body and curl them up towards your shoulders, maintaining the neutral grip throughout. Feel that burn? Now, let's move on to the concentration curl. This exercise isolates the biceps and really helps to build that peak. Sit on a bench with your arm fully extended, resting against your inner thigh. Curl the weight up towards your shoulder while keeping your elbow stationary. Squeeze and slowly lower it back down. You got this! To take things up a notch, we have the preacher curl. Using a preacher curl bench or an incline bench, rest your upper arms against the pad and curl the weight up towards your shoulders. This exercise targets the biceps while minimizing cheating or swinging. Keep those muscles working hard. Lastly, let's not forget about the chin up. This compound exercise engages not only your biceps but also your back muscles. Grab a bar with an underhand grip, palms facing towards you, and pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. Slowly lower yourself back down and repeat. Feel that superhero strength. Keep the following in mind when working toward bigger arms. Boost your protein intake. Protein promotes muscle growth and speeds up recovery between workouts. Some high-protein foods you may want to include in your diet include eggs, salmon, chicken breast, tuna, lean beef, turkey breast, Greek yogurt, beans, and chickpeas. The recommended daily protein intake for building muscle is between 1.4 and 1.8 grams per pound of body weight. Eat more complex carbohydrates. Like protein, complex carbs are essential for building muscle. These carbs provide your body with energy and sustenance. Focus on whole grain breads and pasta, oatmeal, quinoa, brown rice, potatoes, corn, and green peas. Avoid simple carbohydrates. While most simple carbs have plenty of calories, they don't offer any nutritional benefits. They're often considered empty carbs. Limit your intake of sugary drinks, baked goods, candy, cookies, and other sugary sweets. Focus on healthy fats. If you don't consume enough fat in your diet, your body could start burning protein instead of fat for its energy needs. Good sources of healthy fats include olive oil, salmon, peanut butter, and avocado. Don't skip on calories. Be sure to get enough calories from the foods you eat. If your calorie intake is too low, you likely won't see results with your arm building workouts. Try to get your calorie needs met with healthy